That's a yaw. Yeah, yeah, whoa. This is just a test run, you guys, so bear with me. Pretty cool little thing, huh? What do you guys think? I freaked that bird out. Let's go bug him. How high can we go? How high can we go, you people? Can it go higher? Holy shit. It's up there. Okay, let's see you return to home. Just getting the hang of this thing again, so bear with me, people. We're not going to fly too much. We just wanted to see what it can do. Oh, it's hovering right above the bike. So that is the yaw. And there it is in all its glory. I want to see if I can land it on that thing. Let's see if I'm going to get my pilot's license anytime soon. There you go.